Suar Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamstet, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnia.
Keterangan Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ke Sorkar Meghalaya, Hakar Pradri Urisau Arajar Posan. Klub Pyllait ke Aadhaar Mission Mode Project 2.0, Badai ke Pradhan Menteri Ujjwala Yojana 3.0, Hapuk ke Jingalam, Jo Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla Ubab Methodya Sedekar, Hake Jingalang ke Blalong State Convention Center Shillong. Hapuk ke Pradhan Menteri Ujjwala Yojana, Kino Shong ke Jilla ke BM, Hapuk Ulan ke Jingduk, Kinyo A, Yaka Connection LPG, Katba ke Aadhaar Mission Mode Project, Kan Pinstan, Menle Yaka EKYC, Naka Benta ke Jing Pinchisha, Yaka Jingyo Jimintoy, Hapuk ke National Food Security Act. Haga Jingalang la sakilang do Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla Ubakmi Keterangan Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Ubab Methodya Sedekar, Ublalong Kemukangsan, Commissioner and Secretary, Praveen Baksi, Director Ka Saloni Varma, Kinthop Deputy Commissioner, Sub Divisional Officers Civil, Ki Officer Economy Khmat Naga World Food Program, Bat Naga General Administration Department.
We are all sitting here. It's not maybe just another official meeting, but again, it's another moment, a moment to remind ourselves that we are here to serve, and we are here to serve with dignity, and we are here to do our duty to the citizens of our state. As we are aware that under the National Food Security Act, every eligible person in Meghalaya, he has the right to receive food grains on time and every month without any hurdles. And that is not the favor that the government is doing. It's not only the favor that the government is doing, but that is the right of every citizen of our country and the citizen of our states. And it is also the responsibility of each and every one of us to deliver the right of the people of our society. Our nation, the highest institution, the Supreme Court and the central government has already given us a guideline, has already given us the timeline that we need to fulfill those requirements, to the Aadhaar seeding, the EKYC linking, and we are well behind the schedule, and we are well behind the target that the government of India is giving, and behind the target that the Supreme Court is giving the timeline to each and every state. So again, I would request to each and every one of us to put this on a serious note and let us deliver. So I would like to say that maybe from today, let us say that EPOS be our default and our discipline. When we record every transaction through EPOS and weighing, we are not just using technology, we are ensuring honesty, fairness, and transparency. EKYC, to many of us, it sounds like a very technical term, but it's about dignity. It ensures that no one else can take away what belongs to a poor family. It must be done for every beneficiary and repeated every 5 years. For children, Aadhaar must be captured. at the age of 5 and their eKYC completed within 1 year. And if a card is flagged as disabled, let us verify it very quickly, because behind that card maybe a mother is waiting with her child. So, with heart and vision, and to send mobile team to the remote corners to hold eKYC camp in villages, and to work hand in hand with the headman and the vigilance committee. You know, the deadline by the government of India are firm, but our purpose is greater than the deadline. It's about ensuring that no mother goes home empty-handed. No elderly person wait in vain, and no migrant workers is turned away with the One Nation, One Ration card scheme. Let us deliver this duty that has been given to us.
Pin rius pa ya kak tien la jong pin dan kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa
hakajing ya kop yele kai ya ki bajop kiyo ya ki medal kakin tien khasi kadai takama ki don lajat ki takama gold medal kamut takama kser, silver medal kamut takama rupa, but bronze medal kamut takama mong, dair nong, namaranong kamut brass hakaktin pareng. Tudayakan mau kendit ho, lapan mi dakapati CTV, nakabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.